What happened? Why are you so upset? So many hurdles.
Everything is possible. Transform your mindset and turn challenges into opportunities. St. Peter's Convent School, Greater Faridabad presents a motivational forum for you.
Tag your life for a better life.
Life is yours. Tag your life.
Hello everyone, I am Aryan Tantia from class 8A and today I want to talk on a very important aspect of life, wisdom over knowledge. Today I want to ask you a question that we often overlook in our quest for success. Are we just bundles of knowledge or do we truly know how to use this knowledge in our lives? Knowledge surrounds us. Facts, figures, data, all at our fingertips. But having all this information makes us wise? Is knowing more than understanding? Or is wisdom something we need to seek above knowledge? Let me ask you this. What would you choose? Wisdom or knowledge? It's a dilemma. And today, I want to dive deep into it with you. We are taught that knowledge is power. And it is. But only then when we know how to use it in our lives. However, wisdom goes beyond just knowing. It's about understanding. In fact, I believe wisdom is something which guides you through life's most difficult moments. You see, in tough situations of life, knowledge tells us what the facts are, but wisdom tells us how to handle those times. It gives us the ability to take a step back, take a deep breath, and see the bigger picture. And let's talk about perspectives. Everyone has their own perspective of what is good and what is right in a situation. But true wisdom helps us to rise above our limited views. It helps us to see the correct perspective, the ones that fair, balanced, and based on truth. With true wisdom, we rise beyond our emotion and basis and see the things not as just they are, but as they should be. Let me share a personal experience with you that taught me the importance of wisdom over knowledge. Last year, when I was preparing for a big science exam, I was studying day and night, relentlessly memorizing facts, figures, data, formulas. I knew everything in the book. But on the exam day, something unexpected happened. One of the questions from the topic I haven't focused on much. I panicked. At that moment, all the knowledge I had seemed useless because my mind was clouded with anxiety. But then I remember what my teacher had told me to stay calm and look at the problem from a different perspective. I took a deep breath, applied all the knowledge I had wisely, and went through the problem step by step. It wasn't just knowledge who saved me in that situation. It was wisdom, the ability to stay composed, trust yourself, and adapt to the situation. That's when I realized that no matter how much you know, if you don't have wisdom to handle the pressure, all the knowledge you have doesn't matter. And here, where wisdom becomes even more crucial, it helps us to keep a balance in a world which constantly pulls you in a different direction. Have you ever felt overwhelmed of all that pressure to do it all? To be perfect, successful, and to be productive? Society glorifies being busy, but wisdom tells us that keeping some time for leisure, for ourselves, is not just important, it's essential. Wisdom teaches us how to live without not getting addicted to our work, to social media, to distractions. With true wisdom, we learn that our values isn't tied to how busy we are, but rather to how fulfilled and confident we feel within ourselves. As you move forward in life, seek more than just knowledge. Strive for wisdom, because in the end, wisdom doesn't help us not only to become successful people, but rather fulfilled, confident, and self-aware individuals who live with purpose. Thank you.